Good morning. Today we're going to talk about multi-step equations. So there's a whole bunch of different kinds, so we're going to walk through this a little slowly. So as you watch this video, just go ahead and take notes and then try some examples, and then I'll give you an assignment for that. So today we're just testing it out. So when you combine like terms, here's what you do. You're going to go and combine things that are alike. Well, it looks like these two guys are the same. Now, I probably shouldn't have made them the same number, but the reason that they are like terms is because they have no variable with them. So when they have no variable, and it's just basically a constant, you can combine them. So we're going to add these together, and then we're just going to solve our equation. I don't know why it won't write. All right, and then subtract from both sides, the same thing, right? This is like a property of equality. And these two guys will cancel out. And we're left with x is equal to 50. So we can plug that back in. Let's go plug that back in and see that that works. I'm just going to move this out of the way. So you want to check to make sure that 50 plus 65 plus 65, is equal to 180, and it is. All right, let's try one more. Now, let's combine these like terms. These are better examples of like terms. Now, the like terms you have here are 3x and 5x because they both have the variable x, and the exponent for the x is just 1. So we're going to have 8x, because 3 and 5 of them is 8, minus 6 is equal to 18. All right, then you just go and solve the problem. If you want to hit pause right now, go ahead and hit pause, and then you can go and solve it and check your work instead of having to listen to me. All right, I'm just going to work it out. Add 6, draw a line, and then these two guys will cancel out, and we bring down our 8x. 18 and 6 is equal to 24. And then we divide by 8, and we get x is equal to 3. All right, so then you can go back and plug that in and make sure that that works. I'm going to move all this work out of the way so we can go plug in the answer. I'll plug it in right here. I'm going to put a 3 in. So 8 times 3 minus 6 should equal 18. I'm taking it from this first equation right here. Okay, so 24 minus 6, it does equal 18, so it's good. Good to go. All right, let's try one that looks like a geometry problem. All right, if you can see the whole thing, it is a square, and all of the sides are equal, okay? So you can give them all. If it's a square, all right, all of the sides are equal, you can give them all the same variable. Let's just call it x. It's easier that way. How many x's do you have? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4x. When we add up all of our x's, we get the perimeter of 32. So 32 is our perimeter. Now you really just have a one-step equation. Divide by 4. X is equal to 8. All right, so plug that back in. Does 8, I don't know why this is doing this, it's being weird. 8 plus 8, well, let me write, 8 plus 8 plus 8 does equal 32. All right, so go ahead and turn this off. This is the end of this video. We'll talk about the rest of this in class, and then we'll do some problems.